Hi everyone, today I'm gonna review this shoe, Puma White and Clyde Royal. Yes, they're officially junior trainers, but I bought them for myself, and let's see. This is how it looks in the box. Let's check them out. I absolutely love them. First thing off, if you're an adult with smaller feet, don't be afraid to check out the junior sizes, because I bought them for myself and I wear UK 4, size 4. And this fits me perfectly. Plus they are very affordable than adult sizes, which is a nice bonus for smaller feet like mine. Now let's talk about the shoes. The design looks bold and sporty, and the color, look at the color, it looks so vibrant and it makes the detail look very nice. Yeah, also this white detail, it makes the whole look very clean, modern, eye-catching. And yeah, and whether you are wearing it just as a sport or just for a casual outing, everyday look, it will look nice. Comfort wise, I was actually surprised. Like, I've already bought one for myself, so this one is the second one, and since they were in sale, I bought 2 for myself, since it was already so comfort and very lightweight, well cushioned here, and really give a good support, and very perfect for walking everyday wear. Sole is also really great, which is ideal if you are into sports. So even though they're made for the juniors, I'd say the quality and the performance are just as good as the adult trainers. So, and if you are an adult with smaller feet just like mine, don't hesitate to give these a go, because they're stylish, comfortable, versatile. I've been wearing them non-stop, but again, one for myself. So yeah, and let me know in the comments if you have ever bought junior trainers as an adult. Thank you for watching.